on, Hecktor, come on back. Oh, we don't want my thighs here.
Oh, I'm just getting your feet.
All right.
What do you got there, Jack?
Yeah.
You got a rope to a kitten?
Yeah. There he is. Oh.
Did you find the kitten?
Yeah. Cute. Take off your bib and show your real kitten. Yeah. Exactly. We thought so too.
Where'd the kitten go? Where'd the kitten go? Oh, I think he's hiding.
I think so too.
There's the kitten. There's Jack with the cat's toy.
Plotting his next move. He says he's got my fuzzy snake and how he's going to get it. Oops. There.
Too cute.
Yeah, he's nice. Be gentle, Hecktor. Yeah. No toes. Yeah. You be nice. It seemed like he didn't have his claws out. It's funny because he'll click his legs and get a little rough. It's almost like he's